Okay, hello. Good morning, everyone. Today, for the third meeting, we will discuss about sentence structure. Okay, for that, I had given to you about some uh, punctuation or capital, how to write in good, and then, okay, you maybe had written to paragraph for our meeting. Okay, today we will discuss about this one about sentence structure. Yes, before we go to the how to write a paragraph, we need to understand the sentence first because paragraph consists of some sentences. Okay, for this from uh, topic, supporting, and then conclusion. It consists of sentences. Okay, nah, this one there are four type sentences. This one, simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. Nah, compound complex or compound complex we will discuss later. For the first, because this is the beginning, we will discuss about a simple sentence first, and then step by step. Maybe for the academic rating, we will discuss about compound this one, complex, and compound complex. What is maybe, or we will discuss about sentences in the syntax subject. It's very interesting and make uh, confuse also. Okay, this one, this is type simple sentence. You can see the definition. Simple sentence is a sentence that has one subject verb pair. So one subject, one verb, or there is subject, there is verb. This mean of simple sentence. Okay, for example, this one you can see. Simple sentence. My younger sister speaks English well. Nah, you can see in this sentence which one is subject. Okay, for our last meeting, we had discussed to determine the subject or verb. Nah, this the continue uh, from that topic. Nah, younger sister. My younger sister is subject and speaks is verb. So the formula SV, subject verb. This one there is subject, there is verb, so it can be said pair. Nah, and then this one the formula. My mother and father, subject, speak verb. Nah, so the formulas SSP, if you know subject, there is two subject here, but it's still simple. Why? Because one you can find a pair subject and verb pasangan. Nah itu, there is subject and verb pasangannya ada. And then this one you can see the third sentence is my mother subject, father also subject, speak subject, and write also subject. So the formula SSVV. Nah, this subject verb. My mother and father speak and write English well. Nah, but it's different case. If you make a sentence, my father speak English well and my father write English well. Nah, it's different case. It become a compound sentences. Okay, next. This my parent will retire soon. My parent subject will retire from the future ya. Become verb. Nah, this one verb, subject verb, and then this one is longer sentences. You can see. Then they will move into a small apartment or live with my older brother and his family. So the formula subject they will move V or verb and live verb. So the formula SPV. Now you can see this sentence. This is not a simple sentence. Why? Because There is two pair. Ada dua pasang. So it's not simple sentence. It is compound sentence. But we will not discuss about it. We will discuss it later. Nah, my brother subject lives verb in New York. There is a conjunction and sister and verb. Nah, there are two pairs. There is two pairs subject and verb. It is not a simple sentence. Nah, it's different with this one. You can see on the sentence. Be careful. It's the formula is different. You can see. Nah, SSVV. Nah itu. Okay, next. Nah, this just practice in for you. Okay, I have uploaded in Edmodo. Open it, and then for the first. Nah, I think it's better if you write on a paper, tulis di kertas lembar, and then underline subject which one, and then italic the verb which one. Nah, this one, because this I use a laptop, so to differentiate subject and verb, I use subject with underline, and I use is italic. Saya miringkan. So there is a subject and V. Next, okay, find by yourself. The first everyday, this is not a subject. He, of course, there is a subject, swims. This verb. Nah, and then which one is verb again? Walks, verb. So the formula is SVV, subject, verb, verb. Okay, the next, please practice by yourself to find out the simple sentence formula. Nah, this one, write the formula in the bracket ya. Or you may write on a paper and take a picture, upload to the assignment ya. I have upload on Edmodo. Okay, watch it and do it. Okay, practice, because this is writing, so you need to practice your writing. Okay, next. Nah, this one I also gives to your Edmodo. You can see on the posting. Nah, write the simple sentence about your family or family members. Use this pattern twice. No, I say just once ya. Sekali aja. Contoh ini, I make susunannya SVV. My mother is cooks, verb, and sweep. So double V. So the formula is SVV. Nah, and then SV make a sentence consists of subject and verb. And then the three make a sentence consists of two subject. Two subject, maybe you can see this one as an example. Nah, this one. And then SVV, double verb. Nah, this one you can see double verb, this example ya. Look at the example to write your own writing. Okay, next, this one, connecting words. You can see connecting, kata penghubung in bahasa Indonesia. Nah, ends join two or more similar thing in positive sentences. Nah, menggabungkan kalimat yang isinya positif. Positif kan? I like Chinese and Italian food. Nah, ini kan I like. Kan berarti dia positif kalimatnya. We have class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Nah, this one. Or, nih, kata hubung or, connect two or more similar thing in negative sentences. Nah, ini negatif. Kalau N for positif, ingat. Kalau or for negatif. I don't like milk or cold coffee. Nah, saya tidak suka susu hangat atau kopi yang dingin. We don't have, ini kan negatif. If you study in grammar, there is a positive, there is negative. Nah, itu. We don't have class on Tuesday or Thursday. Nah, next, or also connect to or choice alternative. Untuk sebagai alternatif, berarti pilihan. I would like to go to London, Rome, or Paris on my next vacation. Choose one. Kamu hanya boleh pilih satu, London, Rome, or Paris. Option namanya. My father or my mother will meet me at the airport. So, to connect ini, this one, to connect alternatif. Kalau nggak ibu, ya ayah yang akan menemui dia di airport. Nah, itu. Okay, next, practice again. Okay, I have upload also in Edmodo. I like chocolate ice cream. I like coffee ice cream. So, practice and combine the sentence I like chocolate and coffee ice cream. This one I use and sebagai penghubung karena ini kalimatnya positif. Okay, next. I can speak English, I can understand English. Combine, use and. Nah, itu. And then I can't speak Tagalog. Nah, use which one? Use and or. Nah, and then also number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay? Please just you may also write on paper, take a picture and upload on your assignment ya. It's easy. Okay, next. This one is combining sentences. Practice. You just completed, sudah selesai tadi, and then combine 2 or more short sentences into one longer sentence. Jadi menggabungkan kalimat menjadi agak lebih panjang. Jangan yang pendek-pendek. Jadi kadang-kadang maybe you can see on your writing, oh this one I can combine into longer sentence. Nah, bisa digabungkan menjadi lebih panjang. Several correct way to combine ini ketentuannya. Don't repeat word if possible. Jangan mengulang kata. For example, nah, sampel 1. Don't repeat I am. I am a man, I am famous. I am a man and I am famous. It's not good, you know. So, you may combine I am a famous man. Nah, ini bisa mengcombine I am a famous man. So, the sentence is I think more beautiful, ya. Then you may omit words but don't leave out any important information. Boleh menghilangkan kata tapi jangan menghilangkan informasi penting. Nah, ini. You can see how many words is omitted. Nah, I am omitted. Nah, combine with I am a famous man. Omitted ya, dihilangkan beberapa kata tapi tetap bisa bermakna kalimatnya. You may change word, for example, you may change a noun to a pronoun or make a singular word plural. Boleh mengganti pronoun menjadi singular atau plural. Nah, you may add more words. Boleh menambah kata untuk menggabungkannya, boleh. I have white hair, I have a long white beard. Digabungkan I have white hair and long white beard. Nah, this is to combine the sentence. Okay, next. Okay, practice again. Nah, this is example number 1 is finished for you. I am a cartoon animal. I am famous. So di combine I am famous cartoon animal. Nah, this one is combined by yourself, please. I have big ears. I have black ears. So how to combine it? To me, I have big black ears. Nah, that's it. Okay, that is for the try it out ya. Choose also, find also on your posting. Nah, this one is the process of writing, just additional ya. Pre-write to get ideas and organize them. Nah, ini ada step-stepnya, ada 4 step biasanya di dalam writing. Nah, the first write the first draft, write to get idea and organize them, write the first draft, edit, check and revise your works, write the final copy. This is the process. The first is you need to write everything. Nah, this one the step first. Nah, free writing about my grandmother. Step ini free writing, menulis bebas, tulis apa aja about your grandmother. What is the function of this step? To collect information about your grandmother. Nah, this one is my grandmother blah blah. It's not good. You can see sometimes there is a subject but there is no verb. She was a good cook. Nah, is it good? Nah, the best cook. So you may combine she was the best cook. Nah, every weekend we have a big dinner. So this is not good sentence. It called pre-writing. Nah, and then for the next step, write the first draft. Nah, ini nanti dicoret yang nggak perlu dicoret atau kalimat yang kurang bagus dibuang. And then make a better paragraph. Now, this is the process of writing. That's why I ask you to revise your writing. But no once I see revise your first writing ya on your reply. I don't know why. Nah, this is the second step. The next, in the first step you check the paragraph as the whole. Semua kalimat dicek, is it meaning clear? Kan ini for the beginner ya, ini beginner. Kalau yang sudah expert ya, I think this is not. You may write everything in good, nggak perlu banyak koreksi. Tapi generally every writer will conduct this process. Always revise, edit, check again. Nah, this is. In second step, you check the paragraph for good form. Paragrafnya dicek, organization, grammarnya, punctuationnya, please, spelling, and so forth. And then the last, nah this one, the last, cross out unnecessary sentence, dibuang, add missing subject, yang ada subjek, subnya juga diperhatikan secara grammar, sudah ada belum, and then moves to sentence and change the ending to match the beginning. Nah, so if you have conduct this one, you may write a topic and support which one, and then the conclusion. Nah, this one you can see, always remember my grandmother's kindness and generosity. This is the kind of conclusion and good paragraph. Simple. How many sentences this one? Nah, okay, paragraph in English you should not write many sentences, but percuma kalau banyak kalimat tapi maknanya sama. So make it more simple, but it has meaning. That's it. Makanya sometimes we still have Indonesian model to write English. Okay, I think that's it. If you have question, you may post or write on the comment column, di kolom komentar silahkan ditulis. I will give feedback. Okay, please don't forget practice this one. Practice your as your training in writing. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you. Please give your question or comment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.